Welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing? So today I'm going to be cooking with you guys. Okay, we are going to be cooking together. So I'm going to be making our soup. Yeah, I'm going to be making a Egwusi soup. So this is going to be a cook with me video. Yesterday I took you guys along with me when I went to go and shop at the Thursday market. It's a market vlog, so I trust you guys have seen it before this vlog. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch that video and support us. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be cooking with. This is the meat. You guys, I showed you guys when I bought it. Yeah, I'm going to be washing it. Yeah, so this is goat meat and red meat, and this is the pepper and tomato that I'm going to be using in the Egwusi soup, because I want that like beautiful color. Yeah, because I don't want to be adding much oil. You guys know oil is expensive now. Okay, so, and this is our stock fish and our dry fish that I'm going to be using. The food, I just want the soup to be big, like plenty, like last like a month for us. So this is the Egwusi. I've already blended the Egwusi with ogiri. Yeah, so the flavor will be inside while I'm cooking it. So that's it. And this is my spinach. Yeah, so this is my spinach. I'm going to be washing it while I'm cooking the meat. I'll cut it. I'm not going to be using all this spinach because I want to cook okra soup tomorrow, but I'm going to cut and preserve it for my okra soup tomorrow. I'll just be using one part of it for the Egwusi. So this is the corn I cooked yesterday. The remaining 3, we are going to just take it, me, Kobe and my husband. We're going just going to take it one today. Okay, so that's all for now. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the meat and start cooking it while I'm talking to you guys. So guys, right now I just finished cooking the meat and the stock meat and the dry fish. I'll be taking it out because I'm going to divide the meat into 2, because I'm going to cook okra soup tomorrow. So you guys should expect the vlog coming soon. Okay, I'm going to divide the meat for the 2 soups. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to do with the stock, the water. I'm going to pour in my Egwusi. Yeah, because if you don't cook your Egwusi well, apart from frying, if you do not cook it well, it's going to purge. Some people will react. It's not even some people to react. Like if you don't cook it well, so I normally cook my Egwusi well, so it won't purge when you are eating it. Okay, so this is me cooking it. I want to cook it dry, like I cooked it for like 20 to 25 minutes. I think not past 30 minutes. Okay, but I know I cooked it well. So while I'm cooking it, I'm going to pour in the oil. I'm going to be using small oil because I'm still going to add my pepper. It's not scotch bonnet pepper, or like what they used to call it again. I've forgotten, sorry. But I forgot what they used to call it. Oh my god, that pepper that is always red. Hey Jesus, why did I forget the name? So I'm going to be mixing it with the pepper because I want the color to be mine, because red oil is costly now, guys. Red oil is gold now. Only original for me they use red oil, like plated red oil when it's in me. So I'm going to be managing the red oil. That's why I'm going to be using that pepper. So if I remember the name, I'm going to write it on the screen for you guys. I don't know why it skipped my mind. So this is the stock, the stock meat and the fish, dry fish. I'll be using the dry fish and the morocco that I'll be using, and this is the meat that I'm going to use for the okra tomorrow. I'm going to put it in the freezer. So that's the red pepper that I showed you guys now. Yeah, so I've gone ahead to cut my spinach, and I've washed it. I'm drying it. Yeah, so we're still cooking the Egwusi. Yes, so we're still cooking it. I added more water, like little water again, to cook it more before I'll start adding my other stuff. Okay, So here, this is me adding the pepper. I blended this pepper with 2 tomato. Yeah, I think 2 tomato. I blended the egwusi with 2 tomato. Sorry if you're hearing any noise because I've been shouting, go below the volume of your phone. Let me talk, let me do my voice note. You said okay, very soon I will hide it again. So that's the pepper. Is going to give the egwusi more color. Yeah, so this is the dry fish, stockfish, and meat. All the origination, all the goodness, all the yummy goodness. That's what I'm pouring inside the egwusi now because the egwusi is almost cooked well. Yeah, it's not easy cooking this egwusi, stirring because you don't want it to get burnt, and you know if egwusi gets burnt it will change the taste, like it will automatically change the taste of that egwusi. So I'll just need to stand by and continue turning it. So this is me turning the egwusi. This is not like a full recipe, this is just like cook with me video. So this is more like cook with me video. Okay guys, so yeah, like this 1 pot of egwusi is going to last for 3 weeks, going to a month for us. Okay, because that's my husband's favorite soup. Yeah, so I added otazi leaf. I said oziza leaf, sorry, oziza leaf, because that oziza leaf gives soup beautiful, lovely flavor. Okay, we are not adding, if you are not adding oziza leaf to egwusi, try it. Okay, try it. Okay, so we're going to cook it and check back the egwusi. My egwusi is done. I'm going to add my spinach. Yeah, I'm going to stay and add my spinach now. Yeah, it's properly cooked, like it's cooked well now. So I'm going to add my spinach and turn it. Okay guys, so yeah, our soup is ready. Yeah. I didn't add all that spinach because I'm going to use part of it for the okra soup tomorrow. So watch out for that video. Subscribe if you have not, give us thumbs up. Okay, turn on your bell notification so you won't miss our lovely and interesting videos. Okay, so you guys can see my egwusi is properly cooked. Like this egwusi tastes so nice. It tastes like the flavor was all over the place. Okay, it tastes so nice. Okay, yeah, I don't normally cook watery soup. I just, like I told you guys, could be have high that volume again. I don't shout tire for here today. Please, you guys should ignore any cocomelon song you're hearing in this background because COVID don't allow me. So our soup is ready. Like, I love that pepper that I used in this egwusi. Like, you won't even know that I used that pepper to cook it. You just think that this is only oil, like you are seeing. So yeah, anyhow it is, you're going to come out good and better. So I've dished out the meal. This is for my husband and this is for Kobe. I've molded it in the way it will be easy for him to eat, and this is mine. Yeah, so so that's it. So guys, you guys should come and eat with us because you're going to go ahead to eat. You're going to have this for lunch. Me, this is my lunch and dinner because I cannot have any other thing. I eat like just twice a day, at times once. Like, yeah, okay. So you guys should come and serve yourself here. Okay. So we are going to go ahead to start eating, and so this is Kobe having his own meal. I always love keeping an eye on him while he's eating. Or abandoned near Ubegu, you understand? Let me just know when he's playing with the food, when he's not eating. I always love watching him, controlling him while he's eating, all those stuff. Your mama's lip nana and many for. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not, thumbs up, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye bye. You like it, yeah?
Yes.
한 번만 안아보자.
I like it, mommy.
나한테 여자, 결혼할 여자와 그쪽
That's
말대로 몇 번
good.
놀다 치울 여자 딱 두 우리가.
Sweet.
근데 그쪽은 그 사이에
It's
어디서
sweet.
멈춰버려.
You shaking.
안아보자.
What are you doing?
안아봐서 좋으면 그땐 어떡할 건데?
지금과는 다른 인생 살게 해줄게.
짱이다. 그럼 나 신데렐라 되는 거야?
아니,
You know what?
인어공주. 길라임의 좌표는 언제?